I cut a 1 pound package of bacon in half. I put the other half in the refrigerator. And this way, when it fries, it's the exact size I need for the roll-ups. The bacon's done, and I'm going to scramble some eggs and put them in the same pan as the bacon fried in. I'll just drain the bacon grease. And then I'll swirl this around to flatten it out well. That way I can cut this into squares and then again into triangles when they're done, and they'll fit better on the crescent rolls this way. If you don't have a square skillet like I'm using, that's not a problem. Just cook them as you normally would. Just don't scramble them with a spatula or anything. Just let them cook flat and then turn those over. And then you can cut those when you get them out of the skillet. Now just open your crescent rolls and flatten that out. And then I use a pizza cutter to separate them. It's just easier than trying to pick it up and tear at the perforated lines. Just go ahead and use your pizza cutter, cut those out, and then you can start filling those with the eggs and bacon and cheese. If you wanted, you could also add other ingredients to this as you're filling them, such as mushrooms or maybe bell peppers, just whatever you have on hand. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't do it any higher than that, even though the directions on the crescent rolls, I believe, says 375. That's going to be a little too much for after you add the filling. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit is fine, and just keep an eye on these. All the ovens vary, so just keep an eye on it. When they turn a golden brown, then you know they're ready. These will take 8 to 10 minutes to bake, just depends on your oven. And this is totally optional, but I do like to drizzle mine with some maple syrup. And if you do put syrup on those, you're going to need a fork, or you're going to have some very sticky fingers. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by. And as always, I'll see you next time.